Welcome a reading for almost personal, all signs included. So let's start. What is happening in your life? Let's pull a few cards for what is going on with you for the next couple of days. Okay. Right now with King of Pentacles, I believe your total focus is going to be on your stability, your finances, your long-term future, savings, plannings, all that. I believe in the recent past you did feel a struggle when it came to your finances. You feel like you do not have enough or you do not save enough. Financially, you could be concerned even if you make a lot of money. Financially, you still could be concerned about the savings, your long-term plans with it. Okay, so one card. What is this coming in your life next couple of days? With Nine of Swords, yes, I do feel even if it like doesn't have to be about your love life, you guys are stressing out. Okay, or you guys have problems with sleep as well. Some of you guys are kind of having some bad dreams. Doesn't have to be like cause of your partner. It could be regarding your future. Some of you could be concerned about your long-term relationships, like whether the person you are connected or concerned about would ever give into this connection or possibly hold on to the connection or ever stay loyal. King of Pentacles could also be about loyalty, long term future. You guys are concerned about the long term future. You guys are not thinking about the short term at all. Okay, one more card. What you guys are going through? With Page of Pentacles, I believe if you guys have started something new in your life, doesn't have to be a new lover or a new relationship. It could be something very small, like you guys have just started investing into a new plan or a new business or something new, new project or something. Then you guys are going to be very focused on that. Okay, it could also involve traveling for selected few of you. For selected few of you, it could be that you guys have started a new job or you guys will start a new job. Okay, in terms of your love life, what do we see happening? In terms of your love life, what do we see happening? In terms of your love life, I believe there needs to be a decision. You already know what needs to be known about this connection. You do not trust this person at all. With Judgment, it calls for a decision making. It is based on what you do next. The choices you'll make in the next couple of days is going to shape your future, to be very honest. Okay, Judgment is all about making the choices, making the decision. Okay, one more card for, like, what is your person up to? What is your person up to? One card for that, please. With Seven of Pentacles, your person has been making you wait a lot. They've been overthinking about the situation. I don't think they're giving in. Seven of Pentacles is rather making the other person wait. Your person could be waiting on reaching out or possibly waiting on you to reach out. But Seven of Pentacles is all about stagnancy. How are thinking about you now? How are thinking about you now? For some of you, your person could be concerned about their finances. Okay, Seven of Pentacles could mean that they are worried about their future as well. In terms of King of Cups, they do think about you emotionally. I do believe they still are very much attached to you. Okay, even if they do not pretend to be in connection with you or still interested in you, I still believe they have shit for you. With Seven of Pentacles, however, they are taking a lot of time to take action or to react. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you now. What are their intentions towards you? Intentions towards you is Knight of Wands, to reach out, to possibly make a move. So for many of you, I believe you guys will get a surprise visit. Okay, if it's not a visit personally, then it could be a message. Okay, out of nowhere, you're gonna be like, why the fuck is this person messaging me? Okay, something like that. Okay, one card for what you guys could expect from this connection. What you guys could expect from this connection for the next couple of days. I still feel with Three of Swords, you guys are not exactly ready for this. Okay, reason being, your person has put you through so much. Many of you guys are not open to this connection. Okay, you may still have feelings, but I do not see you completely open. Reason being, a third person, a third party. Okay, one card for what do they have to offer? What do they have to offer? To be very honest, this person doesn't have much to offer. Five of Pentacles, so they could be, kind of pretending to be coming back with a serious offer. But to be very honest, they do not have much to offer. Five of Pentacles is a card where the person might still want to redo whatever they've done, like petty conversations, hi, hellos, wanting to know what you're doing, wanting to reach out, like maybe wanting to go on a date, but nothing more than that. Okay, One card for their current feelings towards you. What do they truly feel for you? So basically, it's going to leave you disappointed. That's what it's trying to point out. With two of wands, this person had options. Okay, we both know that this person has feelings, but this person also had options. They do have feelings for you. It is not like they do not have feelings. If someone needs to move on, they do move on. Like they don't wait and second guess and you keep a fucking side option. No, when someone is truly in love with the other person, they would have moved on. The reason why they are still stuck on you is because they feel something. Let's face it, okay? And I do feel the other option is much more of a practical option, something that is easy, something that they could go on with. But the other person doesn't feel right, even if they feel it's a easy connection and everything could go in their favor. The other person doesn't feel right, when it comes to feelings, feeling fulfilled, feeling completed. They don't feel that way, and even if you are not in front of them or anywhere around them, they still miss you, they still think about you. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you moving forward. Like, what do they want to do with this connection, spirit? With Chariot card, they do want to move things forward with you. Okay, so one card for where this is going for now, for the next couple of days. Where do we see this connection going, spirit? But to be honest, I still feel, your person cannot make a fast move towards you. Reason being, they are stuck somewhere. It doesn't have to be that like they are in a committed relationship. They could be having other responsibilities. But for the next days, I still believe they won't be able to completely give in. But yes, you might get communication. Do not keep high expectations, because I'm not here to, to make a fool out of you. I'm not here to get likes just by giving you some sugar coated shit. No, I won't ever do that. But I still feel your person will approach you. However, it might not turn out to be a very good offer. Okay, they might come back, they might want to go on a date, but they'll still take a lot of time before figuring out their shit, like before like getting out of the mess that they are in. That is the Eight of Swords, that they're in some sort of mess. I do not know if it's financial, emotional, they're married, if they're already promised someone else, I do not know. But they still feel a lot for you. Okay, so one card for how do they view you now, how do they truly view you? I believe this person has feelings. They feel strongly attached to you, but they have been denying it. They have been staying away from it. They are maintaining a safe distance. Okay. In the past, recent past, we have Eight of Cups. Like when I mean recent past, it could be the past 3 months. Your person has been trying to move on, stay away, but they cannot. With the Devil card, they feel a strong obsession, attachment to you, even if they are not wanting to keep contact, not wanting to reach out. They cannot free themselves, to be honest. But right now I still feel they've been maintaining contact, they've been maintaining distance, not contact, maintaining distance. How do they view the connection they share with you? How do they truly view the connection they share with you? With Eight of Wands, they know that this is a lot more passionate connection. There's super solid chemistry here. You guys just gel so well. The communication is great. The sex could be great. Everything is great. Okay, with the Lovers card, you guys do connect on a very strong level. The connection is supreme. Okay, but the problem is your person could not see a long-term future with you. That could be getting in the way. I do not know what exactly was the blockage. Since this is general reading, I can't pinpoint the blockages. But let's pull a card for what's really blocking or getting in the way, spirit. What got in the way is an ending, a past ending is getting in the way, and your person is not wanting to change much. If your person has to compromise a lot for them to get back to you, I don't see them wanting to compromise or wanting to change much. Okay, so for the next couple of days, where do we see this connection going, spirit? Where do we see this connection going? With the Hanged Man, I still see it stuck, just like I told you, the Eight of Swords and the Hanged Man, like both speak about the connection being stagnant. Okay, so I do not see much happening, darling, but I would definitely see communication going on with some of you. See, I'll be very honest. Every reading won't resonate with each and everyone who views the video. Okay, even if you guys trust me a lot, and even if everything else resonates, every time it can't resonate with you. So don't take it very personally. These are just general readings, and may or may not resonate with you. Okay. So right now, what do they want from you? Right now, what do they majorly want from you? They want to make things right, like they want to get back on the same page. Justice is all about making things right, speaking the truth, wanting to get back on the same page, wanting to balance the connection. In the recent past, they were wanting to get away, reason being this was draining them, this was stressing them, this wasn't making them happy. We have seven of swords as well. So for selected few of you, if your person is married, let's suppose they are married or they are in a committed relationship, I believe they might want to keep fling with you, to be very honest. If you guys are open for a fling, if you guys like do not mind it, stay open. But for selected few of you, they might not be able to commit to you or have a solid like commitment, at least for the next, let's take couple of weeks, because I don't see that happening. I don't want to give you a false hope. So let's see what else spirit wants you to know. So Thomas, what should we be knowing about this connection? Thomas, what should we be knowing about this connection? Ego, pride, ego got in the way. For some of you, your person was too prideful. They were full of ego, and that always got in the way. Even if they felt so much for you, they were hardly wanting to ever express it. Okay, one more card. One more card. What should we be knowing about this connection? Where is this connection going? Gift, you will get something soon. For selected few of you, your person might want to give you something or gift you something or take you for a dinner maybe. One last card for where this connection is going. Where is this connection going, spirit? Just like I told you, a past person was involved. I've been saying this for a couple of times now. Past person involved hiding someone. They are definitely hiding someone. Okay, they are not completely single. If they were single, they would have come forward. They would have wanted to meet you because they still have lots of feelings. But having a lot of feelings doesn't matter if your person won't take action. Okay, end of the day, what counts is your person takes action. They act on their words. They act on their promise. If they cannot act on it, there's no use for it. Okay, so give me one more card, spirit. What else should we be knowing about this connection? Thomas, give me one more card. What should we be knowing about this connection? Okay, in the past, I believe your person did not respect you. They were not serious about this. You need to set boundaries. You need to make them believe that you're not up for something stupid like a fling or like a third party. You need to know your worth. You need to set boundaries. Okay, one more card. Okay. Real love don't doubt. So they do have serious feelings, but the problem is, some of them might feel like this is over and done, like nothing could come out of it. They still want to fix this, but they might feel like it's over and done, like nothing could come out of it, or you won't be able to want to get back with them or want to get back with them. So one card of advice for my dear people: what should they be knowing for the next 2 days? What should they be doing and knowing? See, what's meant to happen will cross your path. Nothing can miss you. Okay. If your person is coming back, let them come back. If they're going away, let them go away. Whatever is supposed to be in your life will stay. Whatever is supposed to stay in your life will stay. Whatever is supposed to come in your life will cross your path. You can't miss this. Okay. That's your fucking destiny. Believe that's true. There is karma. Our karma shapes our destiny. So if you do good things are going to come to you. If you're going to act crooked and narcissistic, bad things are going to come to you. So decide. Okay, it's your choice. So this was your reading for the next couple of days. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Every like counts. I've been begging, I've been screaming. So I hope you guys support me through your likes, because that is how I grow, and I want to grow. To be very honest, I want to get my videos popping up on every fucking screen, every fucking country. So if that's possible, make it possible. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. All those who want a personal reading with me could reach out to my website and book one for yourself. You could reach me out on Instagram on Divine Soul Guidance, Libra Vibes Only, Scorpio Vibes Only. So if you are on Instagram, come follow me. Yeah, we could also chat in the DM section. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.